Hey everyone! Want to give your visitors instant answers while you sleep? Adding a chatbot to your Hostinger site is a game changer. Today, I'm showing you the simplest way to embed a chatbot using Hostinger's built-in tools. Let's get into the editor. Step 1. Open the website builder. Start by logging into your Hostinger H panel. Click on Websites and then hit Edit Website on the site where you want the bot. This will load the drag-and-drop editor where we'll be adding our elements. Step 2. The Embed Code element. Explain that this element acts as a container for third-party scripts. Instead of manually editing the website's source files, this element creates a safe iframe or code block on your page. Tell your viewers that even though it looks like a small box in the editor, the code inside can generate components that float anywhere on the screen. Step 3. Entering the code. When you click Enter Code, you are opening the site's local HTML injector. The CSS explain that this part handles the look. It makes the chat bubble round and puts it in the fixed bottom right corner. The HTML is the structure. It creates the actual buttons and the chat window. The JS is the brain. It tells the browser to open the window when the bubble is clicked and handles the automated replies. Step 4. Positioning and dragging. In the Hostinger editor, you can drag the embed code element anywhere. However, clarify to your viewers that because the code uses position fixed, the chatbot will always stay at the bottom right of the user's browser, no matter where they place the box in the editor. Placing it near the footer is just a good practice for organization. Step 5. Updating and testing. Cache tip. This is a crucial tip for your script. Explain that custom code often doesn't show up in the preview mode. To see the chatbot working, you must click Update Website to push the code to the live server. If it still doesn't appear, tell them to clear their browser cache or open the site in an incognito tab. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.